Hello students, the topic for today's session is standard deviation. So in the last class we had discussed about the expected return. I hope that topic will be clear to you. Now continuing further, the next topic will be standard deviation. Standard deviation basically means deviation from the standards, be it in a positive form or the negative form, right? That means the deviation can be above your expectations or below your expectations, right? So if we talk about this question consists of 7 outcomes, that is outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The probability is also given for individual outcomes, and same as it is in the case of return, the returns are also given for 7 outcomes. Fine. So here what we have to do, we have to find out the volatility of the market, right? So we are going to find out the variance first. Variance is nothing but the square of standard deviation, or if we do the under root of variance, we can easily get the standard deviation. The formula for variance is probability into individual return minus the expected return and the whole square for this. So now we are going to start our question. We are going to write here the outcomes, here the probability, return, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to write it down xi minus xi bar, right? Bar means the expected return, right? The next would be the square of this, right? The square of this, fine. And we are going to insert one more column over here. That will be probability or into this, right? So outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? And the probability for each of these outcomes is, first is 0.25, then 0.20, then is 0.10, then is 0.20, then is 0.05, then 0.10 and last is 0.10, right? Return over here is 0.35, 0.21, 0.20, 0.50. Then is minus of 0.35, then is 0.10 and again last is minus of 0.25, right? Now we are going to find out the expected return for this. That is denoted by xi dash, right? For that what we have to do is probability into individual return, that is 0.25 into 0.35, then is 0.20 multiplied by 0.21, right? Then is 0.10 into 0.20, fine. Then is fourth is 0.20 into 0.50, right? Fifth is 0.05 multiplied by minus of 0.35. Sixth is 0.10 into 0.10 and last is 0.10 into minus of 0.25, right? So now we are going to calculate about this. 0.25 into 0.35, it is going to be 0.0875, right? Then is 0.20 into 0.21, this is 0.042. Then is 0.10 into 0.20, this is 0.02. Then is 0.2 into 0.5, 0.2 into 0.5 is 0.10. Then is 0.05 into 0.35. This is minus. So we are going to put the bracket over here, 0.0175. Right? Then is 0.10 into 0.10 is 0.010. Right? And last is again we are going to put the bracket over here. This is 0.025. Right? So we have got these 7 answers. Now we are going to sum it up. 0.0875 plus 0.042 plus 0.02 plus 0.10 minus of 0.0175 plus 0.10 and minus is 0.025. So this is going to be 0.307, right? So this is my expected return. What I am going to do is I am going to subtract the individual return out of expected return. So 0.35 minus 0.307 is 0.043, right? Then is 0.21 minus 0.307 is minus, that means we are going to put the bracket 0.97. Third is 0.20 minus 0.307 is 0.2 minus 0.307 is minus of 0.107, right? Then is 0.5 minus 0.307 is 0.193. Fifth is minus of 0.35 minus 0.307, right? So minus of 0.35 minus of 0.307 is minus plus हो जाएगा, but sign would be of minus is 0.657. Then is 0.10 minus 0.307 is minus of 0.207. And last is 0.25 minus 0.307 is minus of 0.557, right? So this is my individual mean minus expected mean. Now we are going to do the square for this. 0.043 into 0.043 is 0.001849. Then is 0.097 into 0.097 is 0.009409. Third is 1.107 into 0.107 is 0.011449. Then is 0.193 into 0.193 is 0.03724. Then you can do the round off, but for more clarity I am not rounding it off right now. 0.657 into 0.657 is 0.431649. Then is 0.207 into 0.207 is 0.042849. And last is 0.557 into 0.557 is 0.310249. Right? So here you can see कि बहुत ज़्यादा decimals में आ गया है. Now what we are going to do is we are going to multiply from its probability so that it can be reduced down. Right? And our formula also says this. So 0.001849 into 0.25. So this is 0.00046225. 0.00046225. Second is 0.009409 into 0.20 is 0.00188818. Third is 0.011449 into 0.1 is 0.001149. Fourth is 0.037249 into the probability for outcome 4 is 0.20. This is going to be 0.00074498. Then fifth outcome is 0.431649 into 0.05. This is 0.02. This is 0.02158.245. Then is 0.042849 into 0.10. This is going to be 0.0042849. Right, and finally the seventh outcome is 0.0310249. This is the individual variance for all the 7 outcomes. We have to find out the collective variance. So what we are going to do is we are going to find out the variance for this, right? And variance may, what we have to do, we have to add this. Variance is equal to 0.0004625 plus 0.0018818 plus 0.0011449 plus 0.0074498 plus 0.02158.245 plus 0.0042849 plus 0.031249. Right? The summation for this will be, we are going to do this, write it now, 0.0046225 plus 0.0018818 plus 0.0011449 plus 0.0074498 plus 0.02158.245 plus 0.0042849 plus 0.031249. So this is 0.0680551. The variance for this is 0.0680551. What we are going to do is, in case you want it in percentage, we are going to multiply it from 100, right? And if you don't want to do this, so you can leave here only. So this is your variance, right? And the standard deviation will be under root of variance. So we are going to put the sign of under root, or simply we can write 0.0680551 raised to the power 1 by 2. Under root also can be signified as 1 by 2, right? So the answer would be, if we do the under root for this, under root of 0.0680551 is 0.2608737242. So this is the standard deviation for this, right? So for there are almost 26% chance that the outcomes which you have projected might be deviated from the actual return, right? So this can be classified as a somewhat moderately risky security, right? I hope this question and this topic is clear to you. We are going to understand more in detail. If you want, in our next video also, I can make one more video for this also. In case you want, please write it in the comments box. Thank you.